Equestrian-ready barns, guest-ready living quarters, and designer interiors make this one-of-a-kind Kentucky property truly exceptional. Nestled in the heart of the Bluegrass State, this private estate captures sweeping panoramic views and the timeless beauty that defines Kentucky countryside living. Exquisite light fixtures and elegant window treatments create an elevated yet welcoming atmosphere. The gourmet kitchen anchors the main living space, featuring premium Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, custom cabinetry, and a layout designed for both everyday living and hosting on a grand scale. A spacious great room with a wet bar enhances gatherings, while a butler's pantry, office/laundry room, mudroom, and built-in sound system ensure both practicality and refinement. An expansive 1,356 square foot wraparound porch invites peaceful mornings and sunset evenings overlooking the bluegrass landscape. Modern conveniences include high-speed fiber internet, a propane backup generator, and a 1,000-gallon buried propane tank, providing reliability without sacrificing rural serenity. For equestrian enthusiasts, the 36 by 36 Morton 4-stall barn is fully equipped with a concrete center aisle, heated tack room, wash bay with hot and cold water, automatic waterers, stall mats, fans, and a fly spray system. The original mule barn, newly roofed, offers a fully equipped studio apartment that sleeps 6, complete with kitchen, bath, and walk-in closet, ideal for guests or extended family. A renovated tobacco barn provides secure storage, while the carriage barn houses a workshop and additional space for equipment. This exceptional Kentucky estate offers refined living, premier horse facilities, and enduring countryside charm, a rare opportunity to own a true bluegrass legacy.